I'm sorry. Oh! You good?
Remember to tuck in your high pressure air lines or this might happen. You ever almost take out your entire team with one grenade?
Nobody at van? Go for it. Ben, you go next. That's clear. Go for it. Oh! Oh, you okay?
For those who don't know, George Air Force Base is a long decommissioned base in Victorville, California, where many of the greatest airsoft events have taken place. But Otis Dixon on Instagram took his S-15 Silvia to this icon of airsoft to do what I've always wanted to do. Rare Arms M4s are some of the coolest replicas out there when used with dummy shells. Do you think you would notice if this happened to you? This isn't just a spring shotgun anymore. The things you can do with an Action Army AAP-01 are endless.
Oh, I'm out. I don't like disputes in airsoft. It ruins the game.
Grenades must be really difficult to use for some people.
Here, drop it in there. Pass it up, pass it up. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit.
And that's the entire squad heading back to respawn.
You know what? I'll count it. I'll count it. I just got smacked in the face with bread.
Valient Airsoft literally plays competitive Call of Duty in real life. And that's it for this pilot episode of this new series. I'm currently taking in as many epic, interesting, funny, and other clips for the first episode if this pilot does well. I want to keep these episodes under 5 minutes as a whole and put one episode out each month. But let me know what you think of this idea in the comments down below and add a like on this if you really enjoyed it. Also, check out the pinned comment if you would like to submit your own clips or share a link for a clip that you think needs to be shown off. But until that next video drops from San Antonio, Texas, this has been Scott Hollenbeck, and I will be sure to see you all next time.